there, if you're 16 or 17 and feeling totally lost when people ask you, so what do you want to do after high school? Or if you have an idea of what you want to do, but you just want to explore more, I have the perfect tool for you, and you'll find all the links you need in the comments below. So what we're going to do is use ChatGPT to explore careers. So this first link is a prompt that you fill out, and the second link is ChatGPT. So going to the prompt, it asks you want to fill out what your age is and the country you live in, and then these answers to these questions: subjects I enjoy, hobbies or activities, things I'm good at, etc. So just answer all these questions. Just remove the parentheses and put the answers in the place. What you can do is, if you have a Google account, you could sign into Google and just make a copy and edit that copy, because this is read only, or just select all of it, copy it, paste it in a text editor. When you're done with that, you're going to go to ChatGPT, which I have loaded here. And I already have a prompt I made up. So what I said is that subject I enjoy is, and this is totally made up, composition, art, history. Hobbies I love, photography, reading, drawing. Things I'm good at, talking to people, helping people with problems, drawing. And you can see it's a little bit redundant, but that's okay. What matters most to me in a job: flexible schedule, good pay, friendly coworkers, enjoying my work. Work environment I think I'd like: flexible schedule, working with people. And any careers I thought about, I said art teacher. And what I don't want at a job: sitting at a desk all day, having to do math. Again, this is made up. And answering phones. So what I'm going to do is click this arrow to get a response. Okay, and here are the response. So the number one response was art therapist. We got commercial photographer, museum educator, curator, content creator, social media manager, art teacher, travel blogger, career or life coach, creative focused, illustrator. So we have a lot of options, and you can read all about what the options ChatGPT gives you. And you don't have to stop there. Once you have these options it gives you, you can ask questions about them. So for example, I can say, what's the average pay for a museum educator? And it's searching. So the average pay for a museum educator is about $57,000 a year. And then I could ask, maybe, give me a roadmap to becoming a museum educator. And then here is a roadmap. It says, finish high school, get involved in school clubs like art, volunteer at a local museum, start a passion project. That's a good idea, like starting a project before actually kind of going to school and looking for the job. So it says, get a bachelor's degree, gain experience during college. And let me look more into passion projects. What are some passion projects you suggest I do? And actually, that's kind of vague. The more specific, the better. But, just play around with it. And, you could also, let's say, look for, people to follow. You can ask it to find people to follow on social media, who's on top of their field and stuff like that. But just play around with it. So below in the comments, you have the prompt. That's the Google Doc here. And the link to ChatGPT. I hope this helps.